Hi, we are a few months away from the upcoming iPhone event. Potential leaks possibly did spoil some fun, but interest for iPhone 2020 flagships is still sky high. Yet earlier this year, Apple launched the new iPhone SE that surprised the market with its specs and price range. In this video, I want to revisit this device and give some of you a hand to decide, would this phone be the right choice for you or not? There are many reasons why I believe this year's SE model and its upcoming 2021 Plus sibling are and will be the best iPhones to buy in next 2 or 3 years at least. Especially if you're on a budget, if you want to save some extra cash, or maybe invest money in something else. To avoid confusion, I will also dedicate a portion of this video to explain why 3 types of users should avoid iPhone SE and eventually what they can do about it. Hi guys, and welcome to Digital Marketing's channel. My name is Marco and this is your weekly fix of tech news, leaks, rumors and opinions. Everything about Apple and their competitors. If you're a fan of this type of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit notification icon so you don't miss the next video. First thing is performance. The moment it was released, new iPhone SE left tech crowd with jaw wide open when it was revealed that it's powered by Apple's A13 Bionic chip. It is the fastest smartphone chip in the world and it's being used in all Apple's 2019 flagships. Even if iPhone SE is equipped with 3 gigs of RAM, which is nothing to many equally or less priced Android phones, you can be sure that all operations like opening, using or closing apps, some multitasking, playing games, or even producing photo and video content will function perfectly. Besides powerful processor, the reason why this device operates so smooth is its operating system or iOS. If you ask, will you miss more RAM? Well, when you have many applications open simultaneously with more RAM, you can go back to that app and just continue using it. While with less RAM, it might take time to reload or initiate the application once again. And that's it. Now, just as a reminder, the iPhone SE is coming in 3 configurations: 64, 128, and 256 gigs of storage. Second reason is camera. The camera that's being used on iPhone SE, it seems it's similar to the one from the iPhone 8. But when we say iPhone 8, it's way more complex than that. It's not about camera sensor only. You see, iPhone SE chip is adding extra potential to camera with its image signal processor and machine learning capabilities. Photo quality is way better from everything before 2019. In terms of video, even if this phone is entry level, you're gonna get the best video on the smartphone, period. Photo camera does an excellent job in bright daylight conditions. Due to the lack of night mode, for this model particularly, low light photography is not much impressive. Unless you decide to install Neural Cam application, and for a few bucks that issue will be resolved. This application also allows you to take night mode selfies as well, although iPhone SE front-facing shooter is far behind the iPhone 11 lineup. Third thing, the build, fast and wireless charging, good screen. As expected, the iPhone SE build quality is premium, sturdy. It's made of 7000 series aluminum, which will not bend easily, with glass back and obviously support for wireless charging. While fast charger does not come in the box, this model is fast charging ready. You may not be happy with the lack of headphone jack, because you will not be able to use your old headphones. Lucky for you, Apple's EarPods are part of the package and sound really good. The 4.7-inch LCD Retina display comes with wide color gamut, so when you watch videos, movies, or photos, it will be vibrant and satisfying. With resolution of 1334 with 750 pixels, you'll be able to enjoy excellent quality on YouTube, Netflix, or any other video or image content. 326 pixel per inch pixel density guarantees great viewing experience of text or something else. because it's perfectly sharp and clear. Number 4, iOS and its long-term support. Like it or not, the iOS is by default the reason of its own to switch to iPhone or stay in the Apple world. Simply said, the apps for iOS are way better made, stable, and secure. Using such small screen real estate already helps its speed and responsiveness. But the way how iOS handles resources and how efficient and optimized it is, you will not experience any stutter. Apple's record-breaking operative system support guarantees you 5 years of iOS feature and security updates, something that majority of Android manufacturers do not provide. This is the advantage of Apple business strategy, having control over software and hardware at the same time. Next one is the ecosystem. Apple ecosystem is the next great thing when you own Apple devices. The way everything is synchronized and how it functions all together, it's unique and almost perfect. Copy text from your iPhone and paste it on your Mac, unlock your Mac with Apple Watch, continue viewing websites from your iPhone to your iPad, transfer files and documents between Apple devices using AirDrop, do phone calls and exchange messages from various Apple devices, etc. The best thing, even with the entry-level device like iPhone SE, all of it is accessible to you if you already own some other Apple product. There is no reason to buy the most expensive iPhone. You can just use that cash to buy more powerful MacBook, buy an iPad, Apple Watch, AirPods, or if you don't want to enjoy the lore of Apple's ecosystem, you can save that money or use it, for example, to go somewhere on vacation. Finally, the price. With price range starting from $399, iPhone became accessible to wider population. And as a complete package, this phone is the best buy smartphone you can get. It's very important to mention many Android devices in similar price range, like recently released Xiaomi Pocophone F2, but as all the other Android devices, it falls short in long-term support and overall experience after few months or years of use. Now, when you should not consider buying iPhone SE? If you want more from your photography, when you really want various photo shooting capabilities, which includes use of telephoto for good quality close-ups, or ultra-wide-angle lens that can capture wider frame, you can't do anything about it, and iPhone SE simply will not be sufficient. We are expecting the iPhone SE Plus model next year, and we are hoping for one more camera, probably telephoto. But if Apple decides to include ultra-wide-angle sensor, this can change things dramatically, so stay tuned. Second, if you want more than 1 day battery life. Second reason why you should not go for iPhone SE is obviously battery life. While A13 Bionic is outstanding power efficient chip, iPhone SE simply has smaller battery size. This phone is not intended for gaming, even with its specs and performance potential. You cannot expect a lot with 1821 mAh battery capacity. That's not gonna work. So if you want a device that can hold more than 1 day of battery life, better look somewhere else. iPhone 11 is an awesome option. Even iPhone XR is a smartphone with great battery life. Android has a lot of options, although the way iOS works in combination with Apple's hardware, you're getting more with less capacity. Once again, you can wait iPhone SE Plus in 2021, which will definitely come with bigger battery. And if you want more modern design and features. The last reason why you should not choose iPhone SE is if you are looking for the latest tech and features like higher screen-to-body ratio, OLED display with deeper colors, face detection, or in Android case, in-display fingerprint sensor. In this case, iPhone SE or iPhone SE Plus will not be your cup of tea. That would be it. Since I was talking about both iPhone SE and iPhone SE Plus, I did not use a screen size as a possible bummer for iPhone SE. I did mention screen to body ratio. This is just my kind of a disclaimer. Can you think of any other reason why iPhone SE would not be a phone of choice? Please share in the comments below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching Digital Marketing's channel. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.